Hello Smartz, my name is Sophia and welcome to our YouTube channel where we speak about all the latest news and events of our project. Let's go! We are proud to bring in the next release of our platform with interesting improvements. We added displaying the number of deployments for each type of contract to find out which one is the most popular among users. The Macal airdrop constructor has been added, and now any user can distribute tokens among necessary addresses. Moreover, it is possible to do it without annoying spam using pure elegant approach. An article about Macal airdrop technology and a smart contract based on it will be soon available in our social media. Just follow it. Recently, our head of research, Sergey Prilutsky, gave a lecture about smart contracts at Immaguru Blockchain Summer School, thanks to the Immaguru Startup Hub for the invitation. On the 26th of July in Moscow, Sergey was one of the speakers at the Cyber Academy Development Meetup. And of course, we cannot help to mention that our CEO has just recently come back from Berlin, where the DApp conference took place. Thanks to the organizers that they were able to collect such a number of highly experienced participants with stunning speeches. We continue to talk about real-life use cases of smart contracts. This time, articles were about the legal side and issues behind the implementation of smart contracts. And another issue of Smartz Thursday has been released. You probably heard something about P2P networking, and we hope that after watching this video, you become a P2P expert just like Sergey Prilutsky. And now let's talk about smart contract types. One of our recent articles is dedicated to the atomic swap, a smart contract which allows directly to exchange one type of crypto assets with another without the assistance of a mutually trusted intermediary party. And now tell me, do you want to launch your own ICO? You can learn how to deploy a smart contract for your ICO on Smartz platform in another hour article with an onboarding video right in the description. Hope you really enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and be smart.